Hi, my name is Dustin and I am the founder and CEO of Terrarium Kits. Terrarium kits are DIY air plant mini gardens that are fun and easy to assemble. Each kit contains all the supplies needed to create a fabulous terrarium for your home or office. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of my terrariums. Okay, so this is the TK Classic Keola o Kalani Terrarium Kit. It is available in 3 different colors of sand. You can choose from natural, which is what I have here, or black, or white. You can also choose from the classic glass bowl-shaped vessel, or a hanging bubble-shaped glass vessel, or a small wooden bowl. Okay, step 1. Take the sand and carefully pour it into the glass vessel. Gently shake the vessel to distribute the sand evenly. Next, place the decorative elements into your terrarium wherever you would like. I'll turn to the side so you can have a better view of what I'm doing. Okay, so we have a sand dollar. I think I'll put it right here. Sea urchin shell. I think I'll put this one here. This shell here, this. I'll put the marble here. A pair of chopsticks may come in handy during this step. Okay, and I'll put the starfish right here. Finally, gently place the air plant into your terrarium, and voila! Your terrarium is complete. For the hanging terrariums, after you pour the sand into the glass vessel, hold the vessel with one hand and place your thumb along the bottom edge of the opening to prevent any sand from spilling out while shaking. You may want to angle the sand at a slight incline away from the opening. I highly recommend you place the vessel on a table or flat surface and add the decorative elements to the terrarium first before hanging it from the stand. I also like to use the chopsticks to smooth out the sand. Place your terrarium in an area that receives ample indirect sunlight, and don't forget to give your air plant a good soak once a week. I'll put the link to my air plant care instructions video in the description box below, as well as the link to my Etsy shop. Subscribe to my channel and receive 20% off your first purchase with code DUSTIN at checkout. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Etsy, all at Terrarium Kits. Have a beautiful day. Bye.